Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is very interesting. Who would like to move to from non-IT job to IT job roles? I know many of you are working in non-IT fields, maybe teaching, BPO, sales, banking, accounts, and you are dreaming of an IT job. But you are confused, do I need coding to get IT job, or do I need computer science degree, or is it too late to get into the IT industry? Like this, many non-IT job candidates are, they have a lot of doubts. So I will clear all your doubts in this video, so watch till the end of video. And before that, do me a favor, if you are visiting our YouTube channel first time, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So don't worry, in this video I will explain the complete roadmap. The first question is, why IT job? Already you have been working in non-IT field, then why should you move to IT job? The simple reason is demand and growth. IT industry is booming with artificial intelligence, cloud, cyber security, data engineering, automation testing, and many more. And salaries are often double or triple compared to non-IT jobs. For example, if you are doing BPO support job, then your role may get a salary 20 to 30k per month. But in the case of IT support job role or IT admin job roles, you will get around 40 to 50k per month. And also it has a great flexibility, working hours as well, and work from home facilities are there, and you will get international projects and fast promotions as well. So most importantly, these IT jobs are for everyone. If you like coding, then coding jobs are available. If you don't like coding, non-coding jobs are available. If you like some low coding jobs, yes, low coding jobs also available. And I will tell you some myths and reality as well. So everyone think that who knows coding, those people only eligible to enter into the IT industry. No, the reality is there are non-coding jobs also, and admin jobs, support job roles. There are a lot of jobs are available in IT industry. So this is one of the myth and reality. And second one is, everyone think that computer science degree certifications or graduation is required to get a IT job or coding job. But the reality is, even you are from non-computer science graduate also, there are plenty of IT jobs are available. Okay, you can easily enter to the software industry. And third one is, many people think that if you are crossed 30 years or 35 years, you never get IT job. No, it's not here. No, it's not real. So if you have passion and if you have some commitment, like a 6 to 9 months commitment, then you can easily enter into the software industry, guys. So these are the some myths and reality, how to know about it. And third one is, you have to identify your interest job role. I already told you there are three types of job roles. First one is full coding jobs, like full stack developer, Java developer, .NET developer, okay, or PHP developer, okay, or C++ developer, Python developer. And second one is low coding jobs like ServiceNow developer, Salesforce developer, okay, and MS Dynamics CRM developer, and automation testing engineer jobs. So like this, there are low coding jobs available. And third one is full non coding jobs like a business analyst, okay, data analyst, data engineer, okay. Like this, there are three types of jobs are there. So after picking the job role, then you can learn basics. You can get strong fundamental knowledge on your choosing job, okay. And then you have to build one project or two projects, and you have to mention that project in your resume and GitHub link, and you have to share that GitHub link in the LinkedIn, and you have to always visible in the LinkedIn profile as well. You have to do some comment, or you have to share some post related to your IT job role, okay. So if you are visible in LinkedIn, then there are opportunities are there to shortlist your profile, to send cold emails to the associated HR recruitment team as well. So it will take around 6 to 9 months to get some hands-on experience, and also to land your and also to move from non-IT to IT job roles, okay. But only one thing is required, guys. If you have some commitment and hard work and consistency, then it is not a issue. Even though if you are a teaching professional or BPO sector or some other supporting job role, happily you can switch from a non-IT to IT job role, okay. I will give you one suggestion. Before attending a real interviews, attend some mock interviews, and also you have to spend daily 2 to 3 hours for practice purpose. Let me tell you one real-time story who already switched from non-IT to IT. So one of my friend who has been one of my friend who had a teaching experience, he got automation testing professional jobs. Okay, he started to learn manual and automation testing, and within 7 months he got a job in IT industry as a automation test engineer. And also one more candidate who have been working as an accountant, he got job in MS Dynamics CRM developer jobs. Okay, so like this there are real stories, number of real stories are there who already discussed with me. In this process many candidates are doing some mistakes also. You have to avoid those mistakes as well. First one is, at a time you have to focus on to learn many technologies. That means you are learning only basic things for each and technology. You are not going to in deep depth level. That means you are not going to crack the interviews. That is the main that is one of the big mistakes. Don't touch all technologies. Okay, whatever you are learning, learn the perfect in depth. Okay, core skills you have to learn in depth, and secondary skills you have to learn some basic skills. And next big mistake is, many candidates are they are just watching the videos, that means tutorials, but they are not doing practice. This is also one of the big mistakes. You won't get real time experience if you're just watching the videos. If you want a real time and hands on experience, then you have to do parallelly practice also with your own hands. And third one is, many candidates are they are building the resumes with weak IT keywords. You have to build the resume strong resume, just like a ATS friendly resumes. So that's all guys, my end. Hopefully this complete roadmap will helpful for all who want to switch from non-IT to IT job roles. So if you like this video, share to your friends, and also drop a comment which technology you are learning and which non-IT job you are doing, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.